So I'm just enjoying my French breakfast. This is one of the things, I don't eat this every day, but there are days when I definitely have it. Real quick, I've got a little small cup of espresso. The French love their espresso. A glass of water. And also I've got what's called a croissant amande. It is a sweet croissant. It's more like a cake texture. I'm trying to see if you guys can see it. It's a cake texture. It's sweet. It's not too sweet though. And this is, I'm at my local boulangerie. Boulangerie is the French word for bakery. So it's a bakery around the corner from my house. Sometimes I'll get a cup of fresh squeezed orange juice. And when I listen, they don't believe in Tropicana and Minute Maid, okay? I'm talking about freshly squeezed orange juice. When I'm in the mood for that, I'll get that. Today, I'm just making it simple. Show you a little look around, and this is it.